Which is a different scene from the pubs and all that, and it is intense, so we have to be very careful. And you don't know, you can't see whether there's clergy around or nuns, but anyway, which they say the white line, and there's a story I have often told. Some people who knows me have probably heard before, but there was a musician over the Galway side. I lived over the Galway side one time, and this poor old devil, I didn't know him, but I know his wife. What I mean by that, though, she was 80 something when I know her. But there's a story told about him. He was all his life playing at parties and weddings and wakes and everything. And it was very late in life. He decided to get married. He was, by all accounts, he was over 70. Nothing wrong about that. The powers that be said it's rarely too early, never too late. But anyway, the good lady in question, with all respects to the ladies present, she was over the age of having a family. But Paddy, the husband, he was an innocent kind of without characters. You know, ladies are gentlemen, men are innocent like, and didn't realise that women could be very complicated in this line. So they were married 3 years and 5 years, and there was nothing doing. He was choosing off in bad coke, and he was fed up to places on. This awful cold morning anyway, like the weather just gone by with him. He came in, he was warming the hands to the fire, and she was getting the drop of tea. They were fabulous, like we said. She was trying to humour him up, he was in a foul mood. Into the cold morning, Paddy, she said, and he wouldn't pleasure, he'd answer. Paddy, she says, I have great news. No answer. Paddy, she said, I tell you I have great news. Still no answer. Paddy, she says, don't be long till then be 3 of us at this table. He jumped up and he put the hands around her. God almighty, Neil, he said, that's the greatest news, he said, I ever heard. Are you sure? I am, she says. How do you know? He said, I got a letter, she said, from my mother, she's coming next week. They said that you can't get, you know, laughing about your recessions and depressions and every kind of naughty things in the paper every day. Anyway, as we're talking about the babies, this poor old devil, this is way back now, and he had a small little bit of land, and a little lass and car, and he got married, and anyway, the next thing was with the good lady in question, the wife, she was expecting a baby, and she called him this evening, and she said, Johnny, she says, you better go for the doctor, the baby's going to be born. So he got off the little lass and car, and he went, brought back the doctor into the room. Of course, the young people don't know about paraffin and lamp oil and all this, but anyway, the doctor said, Johnny, says, the baby's going to be born, we'll go from light to light. So he went out anyway, when he was rode abroad the double wick burner lamp, you see, he had no oil. The doctor says, he had no oil. What do you mean? He said, you have no oil? He said, what am I going to do? Have you candles? Searched the house, and he went, no candle. And then we got to the what am I going to do? Have you a flashlight? No flashlight. The only thing I have, doctor, says, he said, started that on the rod, cow shit. For God's sake, he said, go quick and breathe in. Without any of you, but in the started that on, and he hold up now, said, he'll deliver the baby. So delivered the little baby, and when there was no modern technology, the baby was left on a little low table in front of the fire. The midwife was looking after it, and God, it was great work, and even after about half an hour, the poor girl called the doctor again. Johnny says, he bring the lantern again. He said, she's another baby. So he went the lantern again, and when the second baby was born, the twins were born, and they were left on the table, and there was a great commotion and jubilation after it. I got all with Brendan Karen after half an hour, she called the doctor again. Johnny said, he bring the lantern again. She's the third baby. So the third baby was born, and they were roaring Neil murder. The husband was getting on, poor fellow. He was looking down. Well, God bless him, he said. But the name of the Almighty God, he said, what's going to feed him or what's going to rear him? She hit the word out of his mouth. She called the doctor again. And he said, bring the lantern again. For Christ's sake, doctor, says he. Will you stop? 'Tis the latest attack to him, he said. I don't think if you probably have plenty of choice tonight. She won the county final last year, and we'll play a couple of more shows then. But anyway, this big man with Eugene, well, he was there that time anyway, and he was hurling full back, and he got an awful jettle, and he hit the ground like a ton of bricks, and of course the ground was as hard as iron. It was the month of May, and his collarbone was dislocated. So anyway, they brought him over to the county hospital, and there was 2 coloured doctors, and they were twisting his shoulder back to put back in the bone. He was, oh, this nurse anyway, she knew him. You know, the dancer said, God save Tom, she says, we'll be quiet. We're only trying to put back in the bone, she said. There's a girl there below, she said, and she's after giving birth to twins, and she's making half the noise you're making. We're only putting in the bone, she said. I know that nurse, he said, we'll go down and try and put back in the 2 twins, he said. We will